Welcome back to another adventure, guys. Today we are visiting Disney's Port Orleans for our very first time, and we are so excited to bring you guys along today. We'll be trying out the famous Mickey Beignets here on property, and as well just exploring everything this grand resort has to offer.
Today's adventure also includes us trying to score some tickets to a sold-out Mickey's Not So Scary party. Let's test our luck and see if we can find any.
Today we are here at Disney's Port Orleans for our very first time, and wow, we have barely seen anything here. We just really
barely
seen the lobby.
touched the surface.
Yeah, of everything, and we are completely blown away.
Yes.
We usually just stay at value resorts when we come because we never really stay inside the resort and in our room. We're pretty much just at the park from like open to close pretty much. So today we decided to do something different, show you guys some different stuff, and
yeah,
it
blown
is
away.
Definitely
Literally
different.
blown
Definitely
away.
different.
We were walking through the lobby and Goofy and Pluto walk out. I don't even want to go to the park right now. Like,
I really don't either.
I could stay here all day.
I'm gonna throw a little bit of the room, a little bit tour. I'm not gonna do a whole walkabout and tour of the side of the room. I'll just put some short clips in there because we had a little accident in my suitcase. I had some body wash that blew up, so it's a mess. So whatever. We're gonna show you around. This place is beautiful. I am seriously blown away by this place. It is so massive. I think right now we're walking over to the riverside.
We actually had to pull a map out. We never do that around here.
Yeah, I know my way around Walt Disney World, but right now I am completely lost.
Yes. I'm obsessed. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like, I have no words. I can't believe we're at a Disney resort. Words. I'm speechless. Like, I don't even know. I feel like I'm in the countryside.
This really has blown my expectations out the water today. It is amazing how beautiful and homey this resort feels. It's very luxury for a moderate resort. Oh,
Stop.
we found the jackpot.
Oh, I'm getting this immediately.
That is so cool. I have not seen that yet.
Oh my god. I'm getting this right now. Wait, I think I need a small.
That is oversized a little bit.
A little bit.
That is a big t-shirt.
Oh my god.
So cool. We found the Halloween merch here in Port Orleans. Right when you check in where the lobby is. It's so cool. Haven't been to the parks yet, so we don't know exactly if they have all this in the parks, but when we were here last month, they didn't have this. So it's been a while. I'm sure they do have it at the parks, but it's actually pretty cool. I want to get a shirt now too.
Should I get a medium or this is the small?
I don't know, but that's a really nice
The
shirt.
small looks mine are better.
They have new Mickey ears for the Halloween. Yeah, yours. I think what's the difference?
That one looks
Oh,
like
the ears are black on yours.
it's giving Five Nights at Freddy's.
No, don't even. How dare you say
The
that?
Mickey face is giving Five Nights at Freddy's.
I really like that sweater. It's so cool. But it's too hot right now. It's literally like 110 degrees outside. And we found for the kids section. It's actually really cool. Disney always makes the cool shirts for kids. Like if they made that an adult, I'd wear that. They do?
Yeah.
Oh, they do. Oh, okay, I thought it was just this one with this whole rack. Oh, well, I'm definitely getting that then.
Get this one?
I'm glad you saw that. I want that so bad.
You could put 2 of these on the house.
I do like them. What's the price on them? 100.
So maybe not. Oh, I love this blanket though on the top.
This is a really nice store here at the Port Orleans. Why haven't we not stayed here before?
Because you don't listen to me.
We got a baller here.
I just did a thing. It's gonna be so cute. Wait till y'all see it.
Show the people what you got. Bam.
Stunning.
Walt Disney World in gold.
Yes.
From Walt Disney. You bought it here in Walt Disney World.
And I got an annual pass discount.
And it's Citizens.
No.
Right? It is Citizens? Okay, the
Some-
watch was. I was
yeah,
looking
the
at.
watch was Citizens.
That's really
I
nice.
love it. It's like a nice piece of. I think it's worth it.
You're a true Disney adult. You know why? Because I don't even have anything like that. Okay, we had to take a short little break from Port Orleans because why?
Because
Explain.
we're going to try and test our luck and get tickets to the sold out Mickey's Not So Scary party that is tomorrow. My luck here, my hopes are about to the ground, but all you can do is try.
Right? We're gonna try tomorrow morning as well too. If we don't get it right now, we are waiting for the tram. Or just you have to go to TTC to try to get tickets there. That's the only way possible, just in case other guests have canceled. So we'll see. We'll see once we get there. I really hope we don't have to come back early in the morning because that means I'm gonna have to road drop.
That means that you're gonna have to come by yourself. Dang.
Oh yeah, very tragic for me. But yeah, I guess enjoy the little montage on our way over to the TTC, and then we'll be back at Port Orleans. I think we might stop back at French Quarters. We'll see. Try to get some beignets or something. And we're here. Wish us luck. They have them. They got them. Head to. Let's go. What a relief.
Oh my god.
They had tickets.
Oh my god. I can't believe we just got them.
Yeah. So,
I'm like actually shocked.
me too.
He didn't even give me any like pushback or anything.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it was the annual pass or that we're staying at a hotel.
Not
or
sure.
both,
Tell them
or-
everything. If you run into this situation and you're trying to get tickets, come up here and just tell them, I'm staying on property, I'm doing X, Y, and Z.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't even think we needed to. Well, I said we had an annual pass. I don't know. Either way.
I don't know. It worked. Whatever we said worked,
Yes.
and they had tickets. So maybe some people canceled, but I know online it still said it was sold out. But thank God. Now we can. My mind is at ease now that we're actually going to be here tomorrow.
I know, and I bought merch, so it was meant to be.
It was meant to be.
Yes.
So.
Yay.
Now we're gonna go back to our car and go back
Yeah.
to Port Orleans. So, and also too, I don't have to wake up early tomorrow. I was literally gonna wake up at the crack of dawn, like 6 in the morning, to be here to try to get tickets. But now I don't have to. Thank
Yay.
gosh.
I'm so glad you don't have to wake up early tomorrow.
yeah. Okay, we made it back over to Port Orleans,
French Quarter.
French Quarter side, and we're hungry. We haven't ate all day, so you know why we're here. We're here for the beignets, and just spoke to a cast member too. They do have specialty beignets right now for the Halloween season, so I can't wait to
Yeah, I'm
check it out.
excited.
We're gonna go inside and show you the lobby and all that. So excited to be here, and yeah, we're hungry, so let's go inside.
Right?
Literally feel like you're in New Orleans.
Yeah, it's so cool.
For those that have never been to New Orleans,
It's a Disney.
go to the French Quarters if you do. It is absolutely beautiful, and this is the exact same feel you get while you're in New Orleans. I feel like you're in Princess and the Frog right now. It is so cool.
The buildings, I feel like we're riding through Tiana's Bayou.
It does, it does.
Oh,
So nice.
goofy side.
I spot Princess Tiana. That is so cool. So our first stop here, once we came into Port Orleans, we stopped by the food court area and we noticed that they had jambalaya, gumbo, and a whole bunch of Cajun food. And you know, we had to get the gumbo. So we're gonna try that. Adriana got a salad as well, which is just a basic salad. And of course, we got the famous beignets. We didn't get the Halloween themed beignets this time. I really wanted to try the traditional beignets because this is our first time. So I really want to just try the OG style beignets. So hopefully they're good. They look delicious. I know they're not about to disappoint.
Angeli,
Rice,
sausage, chicken, okra, and rice.
all the good stuff
Yes.
that a traditional Cajun gumbo would be. So let's give it a try.
It is so good.
All right.
Is it good? Or, you know, we're at Disney, so.
Look, I don't know how Disney pulls this stuff off, but they do. This stuff really tastes like authentic Cajun gumbo.
Really?
I've had authentic Cajun from the swamps, from Coons, from actual New Orleans, and it's right there with it all. I'm not even like over exaggerating. And it's hot, it's fresh, everything's so good, and big chunks. I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's a lot in this.
Look at that. Getting my camera working skills in.
And there's a lot in this. It's so good. And have you seen the beignets?
Oh my god, I know. I cannot wait. Look at that. Star of the show.
Beignets, I cannot wait for it, but this is 10 out of 10. 10
Really?
Out of 10 for me.
My hopes were like not very high. I know we're at like a Disney resort. You're right. It is so flavorful. Like it has a spice.
That's the right amount of spice.
Like yeah, like a
small kick.
I feel like like it's Cajun. Like it's true Cajun.
Yeah, they do have Tabasco if
So
you want to
good.
spice it up a little bit, but this is it's perfect the way it is.
Wow, that's incredible. Incredible.
I underestimated this place. I'm not even gonna lie. Like
You did.
I've been
telling him for years.
I truly was kind
Yes.
of like talking, not mess, but just it can't be that, live up to a New Orleans style expectation. And as soon as we stepped on property, this place has blown me away. How elegant and nice this place is. Like I said earlier, I think I am gonna probably book this resort again for next week.
Elegant is a great word.
For when we come back for Halloween Horror Nights, it's 10 out of 10. I really do love this place. Like I said, we usually stay at just the cheaper value resorts. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It's just usually when we do that, it's park open to park closed, and I film a whole bunch of content, so I'm never there. So that's kind of like maybe you get a takeaway from this. If you do the same, yeah. But if you definitely stick with the all-star resorts. But if you want something nice and elegant, and still not too expensive, this was a very, very good choice. I think with my annual pass, I paid $205 a night, which is crazy because for like $50 cheaper, I could have stayed at All Star. So I made the right choice, and I'm definitely going to be back. I think next time we'll probably stay at Riverside. Right now we're on. We're on Riverside. We're on Riverside. We'll stay at French Quarter. We'll probably stay here. It is so nice and elegant. Like Adriana says, she just wants to drink coffee in the morning out here off the balcony. I don't even drink coffee, and I want to do it too.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Oh my god. That is the fluffiest beignet I've ever taken a bite out of in my life. Incredible. Incredible. I don't know if I'm starving right now, but I swear to God, that is the best beignet I've ever had in my life. I need you to try it immediately.
Yeah, I'm just going to devour the ear. It's always the ear first. It's actually pretty warm still. Actually, they've been sitting here for a while.
Yeah.
I just know this is going to be so good. Also, too, I'm not going to do it. I'm not a chocolate fan like this. I'd rather would have had hot honey or something. But you can get chocolate with it, or caramel as well.
The fluffiness, right? So good.
This is incredible. I'm not gonna say it's better than Cafe Du Monde, but it's up there. It's better than the ones at Magic Kingdom over there for Tiana's Bayou.
Yes.
So much better than over there, and they're actually a lot more fluffier and stuff like that. And also they're Mickey shaped, so
Yep.
it makes it that much better. But overall, these are the best beignets on property, Disney property for sure.
All right, I got the chocolate sauce on there. So good. I didn't think it could get any better. I just know they would be fire with some hot honey though. So good. The chocolate's really good. It's actually like not super thick, which I actually like. So it just kind of like slithers down the whole beignet, and it just makes you want to just devour and eat the whole freaking thing. So I'm gonna go do that right now.
I don't care for the chocolate. I don't know. They're already perfect, so I don't want to ruin it. But they are the most dense beignets that I've had before. Cafe Du Monde's not like that, but these are very dense and thick. It actually takes a while to chew. During recording this, I had to take a pause because it takes some time to get rid of that bite you can sip from them. These are so good. After this, we're gonna go outside, show you a little bit around the garden area, the grounds area, and then we're gonna get ready for tonight. We actually have another vlog in the future that you're gonna see. We're doing a Epcot at night, after hours thing. So that's a specialty ticket event as well. So be on the lookout for that vlog. But all right, before I wrap up to this video for today, hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a little bit everywhere because it was brand new for us, but overall this place is absolutely amazing. Quick, I guess I can give you a little bit of info about both resorts. So here at Port Orleans you have Riverside and you have the French Quarter side. Here at the Riverside, it seems like this is more like a southern feel, southern country,
like old money vibe.
Yeah, real country, real just
gardens,
nice, real elegant. Here the rooms on this side are actually a lot bigger than the ones that you'll find over at the French Quarter. French Quarter is more like downtown New Orleans if you've ever been. It's Mardi Gras feel, it's party, it's cozy, it's just overall it's
jazz theme.
Yeah, it's fun.
Mardi Gras.
It's more live over there to me.
Yeah.
It's just more live and fun, and plus,
yeah,
you're right where those beignets are. All the good food is here. It's probably the best theme park food or resort food for any theme park. It was here. I love Cajun food. I might just be biased, but it's hard to beat that right now.
It was so good. It was like the best beignet I've ever had in my life.
The Grand Floridian is called the Grand Floridian because you're going to spend the grand a night. So here we spent like $600 for 3 days,
and we're like blown away.
And yeah, completely blown us away.
We were supposed to go to the park today.
Yeah,
and we are still here.
We decided to stay here.
About it.
So much fun. And again, we brought you guys along with us to go get our Mickey's Not So Scary tickets. So we're super excited about that. So today has just been a great day and it's been a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoy. I definitely recommend staying here if you're ever looking into staying on Disney property. Well worth it. Well worth every penny to me. You just got to decide if you want to stay on Riverside or you want to stay on the French Quarter. To me, you can't go wrong with both. Honestly, I'm on the fence for it. So we'll see you guys next time. We'll see you at Epcot on the next vlog. We'll see you at a after hours event. So it looks like it's about to rain as always here in Orlando. We'll see you guys next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching.